Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. Property location and there is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Room category, you can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, view, amenities, facilities, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Enjoy the surroundings. The categories of rooms are available online. You can online and enjoy the services and offers are available online. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon